All right, so we're gonna pick up kind of where we left off. Before we get back to the app sheet ones, I've received an email from EPM who have asked that we for an ETA on Westpoint Blacktown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prioritize that one, do that one first, and then we'll get back into it. Yeah. So again, first thing I need to get my data sheets open. So I've actually got a little shortcut on my Stream Deck here, where if I press this, fingers crossed, it should open up all three of the data documents I need. So my read sheets, my app sheet stuff, my probed stuff, and the little macro shortcut. So I find this really handy. Let's put that down and just kind of put it out of the way. Yeah. So Westpoint Blacktown. So we'll start off with Westpoint Blacktown. Now with Westpoint we need the probe files and the Excel document. So let's just find Westpoint. Okay, got Westpoint, and again, move the data. And most of these are meter ID, so we'll do that. Current. We'll just see what the date is, if we can get it. Cool. Do a copy paste. I'll do another one now with just the serial number. And we'll see if that picks up any extras. Maybe one it will. No? Oh, well, God, we missed one. Alright, so we'll reapply. Looks like there's nothing there. And all we have are these ones. So you can see here, this one was obviously probed last time and we don't have it. So we'll check the manual read sheet, the face read sheet, and hopefully it's there. If not, we'll just have to put it down as missed. Now we'll go into, so you can find, if you want to find them, usually what you can do with the New South Wales ones, the reader will put it into this document usually, and if you filter by, it's this whole thing about how it's a file. It's actually an Excel file. What you can do again when you see this, you can click it .xlsx, enter. Oh, because it's not a file anymore, it's now an Excel document. It will open it here like this. It's also in the data current, so I guess as I haven't changed it. Here we go. So they're all kind of the wrong format. So I'm just going to change them all now. Six. So SX. All right. And now we have our worksheets. And we're going to open up Westpoint. All right. So here is our Westpoint sheet. Now it's a bit of a mess, but basically, if I move all this over here, what you can kind of see from our results sheet in the past is that there's only a few, and we only really need the total value with these ones. So we'll get this up here, and we'll put one on each side, so you can kind of get a sense of both of them. So for this one, basically in C we've got the meter number, and in E we've got the total. Pretty much for all of them. There's a couple that are a little different, but we'll just go through and we'll see what we can get from here. Then down the bottom we've got this. You can just kind of ignore if you want to, but let's just try and do a normal, we'll do a VLOOKUP. So we've just got to do a manual VLOOKUP, equals VLOOKUP. tab. Choose the meter ID, comma, choose our table array. So we go into the face reads document and we highlight from C. I'll usually go all the way across just to wherever. Comma. We want 1, 2, 3, the third, so 3, and then we want false, and that's it. Enter. And I'll copy that down, and we'll just see what we can get from this. Let's expand it out. So let's see. I think that's 0 and NA. That maybe we got last time. So these two we got last time. The rest we didn't get last time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all of this. As you can see, we've already got kind of notes in here that missed, no access, replaced. I think it's likely these have been replaced because we've been reporting them like this for ages, but we haven't heard anything. So it's likely that we don't need to read them anymore. These two, though, we got last time. So what I will tend to do is I'll just kind of manually search for the meter because it may be in a different column. It may be in a different cell. Or it may be when we're using this one. So I'm going to we'll try this one. And we'll control F and V. And we'll enter. And boom, here it is. So we've got a comment, oh, not that one, that it's actually in here. And because this cell doesn't exactly match this, it's not showing up. But you can see that we've got a note in here that this is the meter number changed to this one. So we use this value. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. And that lines up pretty well with the last one. So we'll try that again with this meter number. F, and here we go. This one, meter number wrong, correct one is this. So I believe it's just this one, so 8.6, because that's pretty close, 8.5. So it makes me think it's that one. And yeah, you can see it's pretty much in line with the last one. 0 read, this one. Now we'll search for this one in the manual reads because you may have taken a manual read for it. Oh, here we go. Look down the bottom here. Inside tenancy, closed. So we'll just have to put that it's closed. So he's obviously added that himself. So we'll just write closed. And that's it. So we'll clear the filter and copy, paste values, and we have the 30th. So I'm holding control as I drag up and got all three. I'll drag that down. Here's a couple of 0 ones. Let's see. And so we'll just have a quick scan through. These are all probed, so they're fine. Nothing really sticking out. That's 0. That's rolled over. This one's 0. Yeah, all rolled over. That's probed. That was missed. I don't know why this one's been missed because we had a read here. Interesting. Maybe we'll try and search for this one again. Let's have a look for this one. We're not getting that read. Okay, well, maybe we'll ask Ryan or Nabil or whoever read it. We'll ask them what the issue was there. See if we can get an answer from that. But for now, because they want the results, I think we'll just send them. Oh, last thing, I'll just make sure that if there was anything we missed last time. Changed. No, that's all good. Nothing in there that says missed or removed or closed or anything. So, just for my own sake of mind, copy, paste, and that's done. So they want this one right now. So I'll send this one off camera, and then we'll do a mass sending later on. So seeing as we just did one probed XR1, let's keep going with them. So we'll do Chelsea, we'll do East Village, and we'll do Wetherell Park. So Chelsea, we'll remove data, and then we'll take, because it's usually done before the end of the month, we will go current. Yep. That. And let's locate it in here. Chelsea, Croydon. Oh. Alright, doesn't like it because they're both named exactly the same name. So I'm just going to make this reads. Change the name slightly and then open her up. So let me move this over to here. And Chelsea one can go here. Okay. So we've got our meter numbers. We've got our reg, which I think is current read, and then previous read here. So let's do another VLOOKUP, VLOOK tab, meter ID, comma. Take our table that we want, which is from our meter number across, well, it's not letting me do just there, but I can go across as far as I want, comma, 1, 2, the second column, and comma, then I usually go down to false and enter. And click and drag. And yeah, that puts pretty much everything in. Although we're missing quite a few here. Oh, hello, missing some reads. I don't know why that is. Let's see. What are these ones? G10. G7. G6. Oh, hang on. 34, 35, 36. 37. Yeah. So G05 to G10. Oh. Well, that's odd. I think that he's actually missed those. So we'll need to send an email about that. These ones looks like they were legitimately missed. This one, I'm pretty sure it's always an NA. So we just need to search for it. Oh, it's right here. 798. There it is, 798. Meter number keeps changing. So we'll take this one, paste it in there. And that looks like it's in line because the variance, 20 of 12, 24. And we will, okay, we'll do our copy paste. That's not good. All right, our blanks. All right, so what we're going to do is going to, we'll have a look in the data folder and we'll sort by name and we'll see if there's 218. 218601 739. No, there's a big gap here. So I'm just gonna have to send an email and say that we need those reads, but apart from that, it's done. So we'll just put that in here. Okay, what we're going to do actually is we're just going to list them as missed read. And then we will probably get them next month. So we're just going to send them off as missed read because obviously we read it on the 20th and it's already the 6th of January. So we need to kind of get these sent off. So we'll send them as is, and then what we can do is if they want us to go back, they will tell us. Otherwise, we can just send them an email and tell them to go back. We can also wait until next month because next month we'll have will probably be read somewhere between the 20th to the 25th of January, which means that we can use the EOM data and just fill it in kind of thing. So yeah, there's nothing really we can do now, but we will just leave it, I think, just because we're a bit late. If I had have done this earlier, you know, before Christmas, I would be saying I'd be sending them an email and be going, go back and get them, because there's a few. If it's just one or two, you know, just leave it and list them as missed. But five's a few, especially since it's all in the same floor. We saw it's like G ground floor 5 to ground floor 10. So he's probably missed a whole section or a whole cabinet of meters. So yeah, if it's a lot, if it's a reasonable amount, we'll just I usually send them back. Otherwise, we can just list it as missed. But yeah, we'll just see what they say, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's move on to Wetherall Park. Now this one, I think we have it listed as there's an Excel sheet, but from memory, everything is probed and fills out really well. We usually don't have a lot. See, I use meter ID when I should have used meter serial. Do that again. We'll use current. Yeah, usually there's no face reads for this one for memory, but we'll see what happens. And watch this. So all these NAs here, because we use meter ID first. Now we're using serial. Watch this. This is all going to fill in. There we go. Copy paste. NA. All right. Now there's a couple. So look, we'll check. We'll check if there are face reads for these missed ones here. Don't think there will be. I can delete these photos. Yep. Just copy. Nope, nothing there. Copy. Nope, nothing there either. So we don't have any of these. So these are missed. And we'll do our... Well, let's see what these zeros are. Are they okay? Supply off. Okay, we'll leave that. That's okay. They're all usually zeros. We'll get rid of the blanks and we'll just see if there's anything missed. No, nothing that needs updating. So yeah, that's it. Just do a... Oh, missing some dates. Copy paste this down and copy paste. Boom. Save that. That's Wetherall Park. Done. Where are we? Wetherall Park. Oh, Chelsea we did the 20th. Wetherall Park was the 31st. Now East Village. Oh, don't tell me they've... Oh no. Alright, we're missing the manual read. I think we missed it last time as well. East Village. November. Oh no, we got it last time. Must have been the one before that. There's one manual read that we have to do here. let's just put that in like this. Right. Copy paste. NAs. And there's one manual read. So we will we'll message or email Nabil and just ask for that read, and we will get that before we send it. If I were desperate, which I might be, because it's just a single read, we could estimate it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if he's got it on his phone and see if I can get it sorted. All right, so East Village, we're just going to wait until we get that read. Let's move on to, let's do 201 Fitzroy, because this is a bit of a unique one. Now I do have probed here, but what I might do is I might change that, because it's a special case, to all interval data. Now this one is a bit different in that Alan Cooney will get the data and put it onto a USB, and he will then put that USB onto his OneDrive and he'll put that USB into his tablet and take the file and put it onto his OneDrive. So it should appear, if he does it right, on his OneDrive. And I believe this is it right here. So it always looks like this format, ppd _, and then it will have the date of the month that we need it for. So in this case, you can see 01 of the 12th, 2024 to 01 of the 1st, 2025. So all we need to do with this one is Control-C, just copy it and paste it into the overall results folder where we have everything else. And that's it. Everything is on there. If you open it up, you'll see it's a weird kind of format. I don't even know what it is, but everything seems to be time-stamped. Yeah, it's just this big file of numbers and such. I don't know. Anyway, I don't worry about that. Main thing is we've got it here, and that's it. And once we've got it, we can mark it off. And I'll usually mark it off for the first. Done. That's that one done. All right. Let's move on to cotton mills. Cotton mills. I'll move that out of the way over here. Cotton mills. So this one is Jade. Now, let's just have a look here. All right, so we'll do cotton mills. With cotton mills, Jade does this. It's mostly reads on AppSheet, but there's 2 or 4 meters. Yeah, it looks like 4 meters that we probe. Yeah, do the probed ones first. One's off supply, so we can get rid of that. Closed. A couple that are closed, so we get rid of those. And I'll usually just get rid of the zeros in this one. I think that's it. There's nothing that's 0 here. Cool, clear it out. And that's it, I think. 30th. Oh, yep, sorry. We've got these 2 cheeky ones. 0, 0. Oh, and this one. 0, and that one is a 0 as well. And I think that's it. Yep, that, I'll just change that to a 6. This one you probably change to a 2, just so these two values line up. And that's it, I think. Yep. Boom. Done. Douglas Cotton Mills. Now, I got the read texted to me from our Queensland, our New South Wales guy over the phone. He sent it to me. And let's see if we can see it. $9,577. I'll just show you what it looks like based on the last month's one. Yeah, so it kind of looks like this. So you'll see one here that should say November. And it'll just have the read in here and the read in here. And then any others that are missed for whatever reason or they're off, like these ones here, they're already in there in this list. So if you're worried, just have a look there. But basically that's kind of a quick glance at that. Get the read from the 03 register, and yeah, you should be fine with that. So yeah, now that one is done. East Village is done on the 20th. Let's just do a quick copy paste, save it, and yeah, go the 20th. Okay. Now, I've just gotten an email asking if, wishing me a lovely 2025 and wondering if Corrinyup is ready. So I've just sent them an email saying, yes, we'll process it now. So what we'll do is we'll start on Corrinyup now. So Corrinyup is currently face read and sent to us over email. And if I can find it, Carrie, here we go. Carrie does it. What I'll do, so if you go into our results and find Carrie, it's usually Carrie or Debbie or Alicia who will read Corrinyup. So what we're going to do is we're going to save all these attachments to where we're going to save them. We'll save it to data current. That seems like a nice place to put it. This is where all our data goes anyway. And now when we go into data current, let's have a look. We should be able to see there were photos, so JPEGs. Hopefully, when I open them, I can move to the next ones and the next ones. Yep, beautiful. All right, so what I'm going to do, let's just put this here. I'm just going to rotate them so they're the right way. That's it. Why doesn't that one go? So weird. Why is it doing that? I don't know. Oh. I don't know. Some of them being weird. I don't know why it's not. It's been a weird rotator. All right, we'll do them one at a time. So what we'll do is we'll go to the. I don't even know where the first one is, to be honest. There it is. She sent them in a weird order. So what we'll do is we'll just do it in the order that we understand, which is this way. And then at least I know that I've got all the reads. Carinyup. Oh, I know what I do. Disregard. So I'll open up the main results folder here. And then what I'll do is I will go into the read sheet that we send them. I find this is the easiest way to do it. So this is the most recent one, Carinyup. These are older ones, so I'll just move them into blank read sheets. And these older ones can go into old. Okay, and now, yes, so we have Carinyup. So we have our beautiful, wonderful read sheet here. And we're going to put the reads in into this read sheet that we send them. I find this is the easiest way if the photos are in order, because you can just put them in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, you know, blah, blah, blah. Put them in down here along this way, and then you can just do a straight VLOOKUP using the serial number here. And it's easier than going from here, trying to find it, search for it. So I'll just kind of demonstrate. So let me just find page 1. So here we go. So, and there's a section for the current read. All right, so here we've got 20932, 139294. Shop busy. Too much clutter. Unsafe. That'll work. 39823. No access / locked. Looks like you just tick that off. Don't know code on padlock. Center management too busy. So what I'll do is I'll add that in. We don't have padlock code. If security doesn't know it, then skip it. Tenant doesn't know, then skip it. And we'll say no code for padlock. CL can't locate. CL can't locate. 01751. Cool. Next one. Maybe I can find it. Red top. No, I need a ring. That's not it. There it is. A ring. Over here. Let me just quickly check if there's anything in this column. No, I think we're all good. So I'll just keep adding things to this column. So 3, 6, 2, 4, 5. I think that's 0.1. So I need to put that in. 1940 4201 8897 9. These ones have photos as well, so we're going to get the photos from these. 614 2850.41. That's 0.41, but we can double check. We got, oh, we don't have a photo for that one. Ah, well, can't locate. Too high. 2337 970 68360. I think that's that, and then she's put a decimal point, but I can't be sure. But we do have a photo, so we'll double check the photo. Oh, well, put my foot on a cat. Whoopsies. 138 908 109882 2934. 11850 47545. And there's a note here. Ooh, what? There's a note here that says in same electrical cupboard. So what we'll do is we'll copy that into that, and that should fix it. Yeah, cool. Terrific. Next one. Bread top. So that over here. There it is, bread top. Oop. Oh, that's wrong. That needs to go there. 9197 402 3426 88699. Can't locate, and too much clutter. Obstructed, clutter, Xmas, busy, something like that. I'll fix it when I figure it out. Oh, cool. All right. Next one. Opal nails. Where's the one with the opal nails? Oh. Not that one. That's the one. 42991. In roof too high. So there's Baker's Delight. I remember that. That was back here. Obstructed by boxes. Same thing, kind of Xmas issues. Can't locate. 129704 117728. Six. Oh, what have I done? Whoopsies. Done it again. Last one, can't locate. Typo. So typo is not typo, it's Shen Massage. Shen Massage. Oh. Shen Massage, and we'll put in the comments that it's Shen Massage. So I remember to note that to the client. 5. Oh, why is she taking a terrible photo? I think that's 104,540. And that would line up pretty well with that one. Hijinks Hotel. That's not it. I think it's way back at the start, actually. There it is. Hi. Access. 6. 4212. Cool. This one, I believe, is the right one. Four, 8. One, 830. Can't locate. And the last page, 3663. No one able to provide access. Busy for Xmas. Hi. Can't locate. Can't locate. Okay, so we've got that. Now I can get rid of this. Now I've got this, I can do a VLOOKUP. So if I go over here, all the way down the bottom, look at that. I'm gonna clear this out. We're gonna go equals VL, that, comma. So all the way across, 1, 2, 3, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns and false. This one we're still trying to get our head around, because there's a lot going on with it, that we didn't, a lot of reads that we didn't have locations for when they gave us the read sheets. Nothing was in order. It's a mess. So we're still trying to get it into some kind of order and collection. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go NA and just see what we're missing. Oh, okay. So here we've, okay, so I'm going to take this. So last time I put in that the correct, I noted what the correct meter number was. I didn't say that it was replaced. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that to here. No, I don't want that. I want, it's not a percentage. No, it's not a percentage. I don't know why it does that. Oh, I'm going to go a little easier and just do this. Copy it down. Why is it telling me that it's a percentage? No, it is not. I want general. Thank you. There we go. Much better. Is it like that for everything in this column? Oh my goodness. No, it needs to be general. Okay. Now, let's look at NA. And then we'll do I'm just gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm copying pasting values and I'm gonna flip it around. So whereas before we had a message that the correct meter number is this time I'm gonna flip it around so the meter number here is actually in the meter ID box and the old meter number is in here. So I just want to put replaced old and copy that so that we have a note of what the old one we had on our list was. That one we don't need it for. I'm gonna take this, paste it in here. Still nothing. That's interesting. Oh, let's see if any of this works. Oh, I know why. I know why, because I put a slash in each of these. Okay. Can disregard everything that I've done there. Undo, 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 undo. Okay, anything with an NA. I think that if we look, instead of the meter number, we're going to use the tenancy number. Is that going to work? No, that's not going to work either. Okay, I guess we'll just search for it. So you see how we've got it as a slashy number? We'll do a new VLOOKUP for these ones. VLOOKUP, the tenancy, take it from the tenancy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Boom. So we search for the tenancy, which matches what's in the read sheet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the other NA, which is Capriccio, which I believe was changed. Or it was Oporto. I think it's Oporto now. These three. 2490. And apparently the read is 830. So we're going to put that in. 830. And these two we just couldn't locate. 0. Anything here? Oh, I didn't put anything in there. This is the one with Hijinks Hotel at the top. Let's look for Hijinks Hotel. There it is. Bang, first one. Here we go. So the problem is Gorman. Level 1, right off Country Road, opposite Sushi Gyro. Electricity cupboard won't open. Key not working. Key not opening like covered. And now that fills in over here. Beautiful. Now, let's have a look at any of these where we've got a little message in our results. Meter obstructed. Boxes everywhere. Can't safely get to meter. To Xmas sales. Okay, so, well, that's that one. So that one's the same. That one's the same. That one's the same. No code for padlock. That's already done. Can't locate. Too high. Can't locate. Can't locate. In roof too high. I think she thought it was there, but we couldn't locate it, so we'll keep that the same. Unable to locate. She put 0.4 last time, so I'm going to put 0.4. Too high. Can't locate. Too high. Key not opening. Electrical cupboard. Access. And this one is now shin. 15392. Perfect. Now look at our blank ones. Everything has like a reason. Most of these were Christmas sales, couldn't get in. This one couldn't get in. Now let's look at everything that we did get a read for. As I recall, it was read. Is it 23rd? Not 2025. All right. So this one is a little off. So we'll look for that in our results. This was the Arang one. Arang. 87521. 87521. So I've got 12850.41. So we need to get a photo next time because this could be wrong. I'll get photo next cycle to confirm number of dials. And then what I'm going to do is in the notes, well, I'm going to save this to our current and then call it December, or I guess January 25, because we're going to use this sheet in January. And I'm going to say, so I'm going to say photo please Jan 2025. So now we know to get a photo next time. Okay. Because if I get rid of this decimal point, look, it's magically in line, but it might not be. So actually, a lot of these we need a photo for, and I'm running out of time. So I'm probably going to finish this one off tonight. So what I'm going to do, basically what our next step will be is, and I don't need to go through this necessarily. Carrie has sent me a lot of photos over the phone. I'm going to get those photos off the phone onto the computer, and we'll just compare like some of these, like this one. So there could be a decimal point here. I can't tell yet though. You know, this one is obviously a little off. Don't have a photo for it though. This one is well off from the previous one. So we need to double check that. There's just a lot that needs to be checked on this this sheet, you know. And the only way to do it is to look at the photos. So all we'll need to do from now is have a look at each of the photos and compare them to this. And then if we don't have a photo this time, make a note to get a photo on the read sheet next time. So I'm gonna close it. What I'll do is I'll probably do this in the background later tonight, and then show you the end result. But yeah, just because this one's gone an hour already, we'll cut it off here, and we'll pick up again. So I'll just save this for now. Actually, let me just make sure. Copy, save. That one we don't need. And yeah, so we'll just save this for now, and just make a note that we're missing photos. And what we'll do when we pick up, we're almost there. We'll probably do these ones, and we'll try and finish off these app sheet ones, and then get these ones done as well. So yeah, we'll stop it there, and we'll pick it up in the next video.